welcome naman po muli. This is the Emomantico, the Packing Show. And this is the part 3 of the best OPM rock vocalist. So, kamusta na po kayong lahat? So, may 2 more to go po tayo. At by the way, highway, shoutout po pala sa Speaker Podcast na recently, I think yesterday was their message me, they notified me kasi nag-try kasi akong i-upgrade itong podcast nila, and unfortunately nanghihingi sila ng credit card at wala na po akong credit card. So for the Speaker Podcast, I really love your app. I really love podcasting. So if there's any other way to upgrade my Speaker Podcast, well, I'm willing to. But in credit card, sorry, I'm just an average Joe. I have no credit card. Ordinaryong tao lang po ko Well, anyway, highway, shoutout po pala sa lahat ng mga nakikinig po dyan, especially on our Raven Ceramics boys, man. And I just tagging here, taggings. Isa naman pong 15 minutos na naman po ang bupunuin po natin sa ating top 10. So medyo nabitin po tayo nung nakaraan. Nung nakaraan kasi ang medyo mahaba aking litanya, so 2 more to go na lang. And sa akin naman just doing this just for fun. And by the way, highway, medyo stress po sa trabaho pero kinakaya na rin naman. And parang nga ba sasabihin ko? Well, anyway, highway, sa mga tinatag ko po dyan, just say hello. And to those all my friends there, especially on the rock enthusiasts there na, what I call this? Just tagging sa mga saging. Okay, I'm done. Well, anyway guys, girls, sana naman pong rock na morning po sa inyong lahat. Saan nakikinig? Well, my background sound was Tigilan Mo Ang Girlfriend Ko, Papasagin Ko Pagmumukha Mo by The Smooth Friction. So here is the part 3 of my top 10 best rock vocalists. So OPM rock vocalist. So, sa mga hindi pa po, sa mga nakamiss po ng mga first part and the second part of the top 10, just follow me sa Speaker Podcast. Libreng-libre po to sa Google Play Store. Or you just can create your own podcast. Try nyo po. Napakasaya po to. And anyway, nakikita nyo rin po itong, you can also follow me or just subscribe my YouTube channel on yung YouTube on the YouTube. So my past episodes, you can see this. So just type Rogelio Landmark Pascua, that is my YouTube channel, or just type the top 10 best OPM rock vocalists. So let's get started before we're running out of time. The part 3 of the top 10 best rock vocalists. So we have 2 more to go. And before that, what is the vocalist do? Sa mga hindi nakakalam, sila po yung face, sila po yung crowd, sila po yung tipo pong leader po, parang pinakamukha po ng banda. So kilalanin po natin ang mga nag-aastigang banda po, ang mga general po sa gera ng mga squadron of music band industry. So let's get started. Yeah, right. So here we go at number At number 2, because this is the part 3 of the best rock vocalist, part 3 of my episode 10. So, who will be on number 2? Well, that is the Barangay Tibay. The hounds to the sounds is to the greyhounds. Reg Rubio of Greyhounds. So, Reg Rubio of Greyhounds. No doubt about it. When you say just kidding. Well, Reg Rubio, one of the three kings of the OPM rock. So, Reg Rubio, they formed the band Greyhounds on 1997. And unfortunately, according to Wiki, there's no additional info about Reg Rubio. But for me, as the listener and the supporter of his band, Reg Rubio has as a vocalist, siya yung tipo ng halimaw talaga. Literal na halimaw talaga on stage. He can do rap, he can do slam, so do some crazy stuff. Talaga, when it comes to the live performance, talagang magliliyab talaga ang stage, ang venue, when it comes to the sounds of Greyhounds. So, one of my favorite song na talagang humulma talaga at sabi ko talaga fits to his voice talaga yung I'm Your Puppet, I'm Your Clown. Then Shoot to Kill. Tapos yung koro. Ano ba yung isa pa? Two-Face yata yung Two-Face. Doble Cara, yes. Doble Cara. So Reg Rubio, for me, on stage napakaangas, but deep inside po, he is a good father. He is the father of two, a loving husband to his wife. Well, pero we'll call this Reg Rubio. I think no doubts about it talaga. Well, shoutout po sa mga Barangay Tibay dyan, sa mga hounds na fans po dito. So you really deserve at the number 2 spot where Mr. Reg Rubio's also Reg Rubio. So leave you louder for plus of that, man. Yeah, it's not about doubt about it. So before that, let's proceed to the number 1. To the number 1 top 10 best rock vocalist. Before I reveal that, dating gawi po tayo. Let's start from the bottom to the top ng top 10, dating top 10. So ito po ay let's start from the beginning of 10 from 2. Ulit alam bang tayo. Dahil mahaba nga to gusto ko kasi mapahama to dahil medyo nabitin tayo sa part 2 nito itong top 3 so mahaba pa oras natin. But anyway, let's recap muna po tayo. Well, here we go before natin i-reveal ang ating number 1. At number 10, Dong Abay o Weston Martin Abay from Yano. At number 9, Eli Buendia o Alejandro Basinio Buendia. Let's see. At number 8, Raymond Marasigan o Raymond Emmanuel Parcon Marasigan. Grabe. Ano ba ito? Pahaba ba ng pangalan? Okay, number 7, Miggy Chavez. Ulit. Part 2. Take 2. At number 7, Miggy Chavez o Miguel Chavez. At number 6, Rico Blanco. At si Miggy Chavez po, vocalist po siya ng Chico Sai. Raymond Malasigan, Sandwich, heads, pedicab, and cambio. Okay, may 4 na nakalimutan ko po. Okay. At number 6, Rico Blanco, o Rico Jean Granados Blanco, former vocalist of Rivermania and now going to solo. At number 5, Bamboo Manyalak of Francisco G. Ay, grabe, haba. Okay. Okay, here we go. At number 5, Bamboo Manyalak of Francisco Gendencio Lope Berlando Manyalak. Basta po, Panginoon ko. Ayaw ka na magbasa ng pangalan. Manyalak. Manyalak. At of Bamboo and also former vocalist of Rivermania. And number 4, Mark Abaya of Ramon Chito tuloy. At number 4, Mark Abaya, Ramon Marcelino Diaz Abaya of Juan/Sandwich. Number 3, Basti Artardi of the Wolfgang. Number 2, Greg Rubio of Greyhounds. And here is ito na ang nating number 1. Grabe, naubos ang oras ko sa kakabasa ng pangalan. Ang haba pala mga pangalan, mga original name ng mga vocalistang to. Well, is Jamir Garcia o Jacus Ramirez Garcia. Kaya pala Jamir Jesus Ramirez. Okay, good. Galing ha. Well, Jesus Ramirez Garcia o Jamir Garcia of Slap Shack. Ang kayang awards po ay Award for the Best R&B Recording. Bakit gano'n? R&B Enyo metal yung genre ng mga to. Ewan ko nga ba, Award? Siguro siguro. Ewan. Well, Jamir Garcia of Slapshot. For me, bakit siya pa rin ang number 1? Sa akin mga nakaraang top 10 kasi, he also number 1. Jamir Garcia kasi may pagka-uniqueness kasi ang unique pagiging uniqueness kasi sa kanya talagang when it comes to when it comes to slap siya kasi Jamir Garcia talagang feel mo hindi siya mapayag na hindi ka sasabay sa crowd. So talagang lalo yung sugod, doon mo napapansin yung sugod na latest song nila, talaga Wall of Death, Circle of Death, pero hindi yun nagtatapos kahit yung mga first debut nila as the band of Slapshot, talagang gusto, parang sa akin world class kasi yung nila yung world class siya kung magdala, hindi siya papayag na hanggang doon lang yung banda, kaya nasa number 1 talaga yung ilagay ko to sa number 1. So wala naman po tayong oras mga kaibigan, at sana naman ay nalinawan kayo sa aking makulong paliwanag. Well, stay tuned, rock on. Ang nanay ko natawag na sa akin. Well, anyway, highway, salamat sa nakikinig. At shoutout sa Speaker Podcast. Fortunately, I don't have any credit card to upgrade my podcast. Well, maybe in the future I can work hands on you, man. Thank you, Speaker Podcast, and goodbye. This is Imomantico the Packing Show signing off. Bye.